Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build your client portfolio with Behance, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin building your client portfolio on Behance, create a free account on the platform. Sign up using your email address or link your existing Adobe ID. Once you have your account, select a professional username that reflects your brand or services. Next, complete your profile by adding a profile picture and a short bio. In your bio, highlight your skills and areas of expertise to attract potential clients. Now, navigate to the Create a Project section to start adding your work. Select a template that suits your project style. Upload high-quality images or videos of your completed work. Include detailed descriptions for each project, outlining your role and the process involved. Add tags related to your work to improve discoverability. As you fill out your project, make sure to maintain a consistent visual style. Once your project is complete, preview it to ensure everything looks perfect. When satisfied, click the Publish button to showcase your work. Consider sharing your projects on social media to reach a wider audience. Engage with other designers on Behance by appreciating and commenting on their work. This networking can lead to potential collaborations or client referrals. Regularly update your portfolio with new projects to keep it fresh and relevant. Analyze the performance of your projects to understand what resonates with viewers. Use this information to tailor your future works and improve your portfolio. Finally, be patient. Building a strong client portfolio takes time and consistent effort. By following these steps, you can effectively use Behance to showcase your skills and attract potential clients. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.